Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? This mom's a street nigga. I be gassing her, yeah, I'm a player. Yeah, she won't fuck with me, yeah, baby, yeah.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton, and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be my hair review for this amazing hair that I received from Wiggins Hair. So I know you guys can see the background. I am in like a different location right now. I usually record my videos at home, but currently I'm on campus at UCLA because of my job. But I don't want to talk about that too much. Just in case you guys are wondering, where the heck are you? I just want to quickly talk about this really bomb hair. I'm just going to start off with my installation video so y'all can see how I installed this unit. And also I show you guys my curly hair routine. And afterwards, I'm going to give you guys my review and tell you guys all about this hair and how I've liked it so far. So let's get started. getting ready, but I have not done anything to my hair except for slick my baby hairs, but I didn't put anything in this hair except for last night. So I'm just gonna break down like what I did after I finished recording myself doing my hair and installing this, and then I'm gonna show you guys my curly hair routine, just because I felt bad for not putting it in. This hair is like so freaking bomb, y'all. Like, what? Because I slept on it with braids and it looks like this, like after I took my braids out. Usually when I put curly hair in braids and then I take it out the next day, it looks like I need to, you know, do my hair routine, but I could literally just wear my hair like this if I wanted to. Like, this is so bomb to me. Let me just show y'all what I do. So I'm just gonna start off by drenching my hair, and I love this spray bottle. Gonna take my diamond brush and just comb it out. So like, this is all the hair that I had come out of it, and this is nothing like what I usually get. Way more kinks and tangles in curly hair when I use this diamond brush, but this hair is not really like curly, it's kind of like wavy. I don't want to take too much because this is not curly hair, so I'm gonna take like this much right now. And I'm gonna kind of just like go back in and put more and more. Y'all, no freaking shedding. Like, there's no hair coming out right now. This is crazy. I am not used to this. And it's just like going through so smoothly. I feel like I usually have a little bit more trouble, but this is like the first time I've had something like this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just leave it at this for now. And I'm just gonna let this get a little damp, and then I'm gonna come back and do my review. So that was it for my installation tutorial and also my curly hair routine. And now I'm going to go into the review of this hair. So I received this hair from Wiggins Hair really quickly. It came in about 4 days, and when I got it, it came in a FedEx bag. I'm going to input the video of me unboxing this package right here, and then I'll also show you guys what it's like from the inside. Right, so this is the box it came in, and the wig had this stuff around it and inside of it. And then right here, this is the package that the wig came in. They also sent me a wig cap, and they gave me wig caps my color. Now this is my favorite thing, when they send me wig caps my color. And then they also just had some papers talking about the hair information and a elastic band. And then they also gave me a wig bag, and I love wig bags because I love to just put my wigs in here and also put other wigs in here. And then it's a drawstring wig bag, so it's like perfect. So now I'm going to get into the specs of this hair. I'm going to be reading off the information from the email that they forwarded to me. This unit is their loose deep wave 13 by 6 lace frontal wig. It's 24 inches, 180% density. I got this wig cap in a size small, and then I also got medium dark brown lace, but I still tinted my lace, and I also bleached my knots. I actually had to bleach my knots twice, so this side of the wig is kind of over bleached and this side is good, which is why I decided to do a side part on this side, but it's fine. I'll probably fix it and then probably do this hair in different styles and stuff like that, just so you guys can see how versatile it is in the future, because I definitely want to make another hair tutorial or review for this hair, because this hair is bomb. Okay, recently I tried a wig from a hair company and the hair was terrible, and this honestly just revived, you know, that whole tutorial and review life. Let me go ahead and hop into these pros really quickly and tell y'all how I'm feeling this hair. This hair is 24 inches, and this is what it looks like on me. So it does kind of go all the way down to like my hip, as y'all can see right there. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like from the back when I put all the hair in the back. I kind of was sleeping on this hair, so I don't know if it looks a little funky at the top, but it is kind of damp. Like I said earlier in the tutorial, I did wait a couple of hours to record this video so y'all could see how it looks once it got a little bit dry. But for the most part, it's looking really, really good. And the product that I use for this hair, like I told y'all, kind of gives it like a strong hold. So it's not as soft because of the product that I put in it, but it's really, really bomb, okay? So off tops, I love this hair's texture. Before I even washed this hair, it was super soft and pretty. After I washed it, it was still super soft and pretty. Even though I have this product that's holding the hair really you know, stuck tight together, it's still really soft, and I could run my hands through it if I wanted to. But yeah, I can definitely tell that this hair is 180% density. It is really, really thick and bomb, okay? When I went to sleep on it last night and I woke up this morning, I took it out of my 2 little just regular braids that I slept in, and it looked like the hair was already ready to go. But like I said, I kind of like the wet look, so I did my hair again, of course. But even if I didn't want to do my hair, I could have just woke up and just walked out of the door, because the hair texture and it was just bomb, okay? I know y'all saw it. It looked really, really good to me. I'm pretty sure this hair would look just good with just some water, because the texture is really, really nice. So I don't even think you need to put product in it for the most part, but putting the product in it is just giving me the look that I like to go for with my loose wavy units. But yeah, I know I was saying that this is like kind of curly hair, but no, it's definitely wavy hair. And I just wanted to try out some new wavy hair, because my last wavy hair that I had, I didn't really like it too much. This hair for sure, I can give y'all a 10, okay? So let me tell y'all something else that's really bomb about this hair. I do have a lot to say because I was just amazed. This hair can take apart, okay? Usually I can never part my hair like this. Like, I don't know if y'all noticed, but I usually do a side part just going straight back. But with this hair, I did my side part from like the middle to the side. And this hair, like, I can part it and it can go all the way back. Like the end of the wig is like somewhere back here. So if I wanted to part it all the way like back here, like I could. I don't know if y'all can see that, but okay, I don't know if y'all know what I mean, but like when you part hair, sometimes you have to stop the part because it's reached like the tracks of the wig. But with this hair, I didn't, like, that didn't happen. This could still be parted back some more. I just liked it like this, honestly, because it just laid the flattest. So if you're looking to have like deep parts and stuff like that, this is the wig for you. I love this hair. Like, it's thick, it's pretty, it's soft, it's everything. I'm not gonna say no shedding, but basically no shedding. Like when I was combing out the hair, even when I was customizing and plucking the hair, like I was not having a lot of shedding, no tangling, barely any shedding. I'm just honestly shook. Like I don't think I've had a wig that's just been this good. So I don't think I even have any cons. I think this hair is perfect for back to school, because I know school's coming up. Not for me, I don't start school until October, but those who start in like August and September, if y'all looking for some nice bomb quality hair, I think this is it, because you could just get up in the morning and you don't even got to do nothing to your hair. Because trust me, if today was a day I had to go to class or something like that, then I would have just went how the hair looked as soon as I woke up, because it was perfect. It's not too much, it's really nice, it's really perfect length. That's basically it for this video. I will probably come back with another video once I do fix this side of the hair and reinstall this unit. But if y'all have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below, and please ensure that you guys hit that like button if y'all like this video and y'all want to see more videos like this in the future. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Wiggins Hair. I love this hair, it's amazing. See you guys next time. Bye.